Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to invite collaborators to GitHub repository. So if you want to invite anyone to a repository, then you can easily do that by clicking on the repository. You can find it on the left hand side. Then go to its settings and then click on collaboration. Keep in mind that the first time you click on collaboration, that's going to ask you to verify your email and you'll receive a code to your email, something like this, which I'm about to share on the screen. And you just need to copy that and you'll be able to quickly add that pin in, right? So once you add that authentication code in, you'll be able to open up this repository. Now, all you have to do is, of course, ensure that you click on the add people right here and you want to find them. So I can type whatever name, and let's say I want to add Anton. I can click on him right here and simply click and add. And that's how I would add that person to a repository. So I click on that and you will see right here that I send an invite to that person. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Once that person accepts, then I've added that person to the repository. Pretty easy, right?